guys, welcome to another, I guess this will be a vlog. I got my little baby in the car and my mama. She missed her bus, so I'm taking her up here to school in this long line, so hopefully we get there on time. So yeah, so we're probably gonna go to the grocery store today. I don't know. I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. Hey girl! Stop looking like that. All right, guys. So I couldn't shoot. I wasn't gonna tell you what school my daughter going to and nothing like that. You see what my son did? I gotta go clean my. I have to go clean my car. I meant to stop off and clean my car in the beginning, but you know how these parents are. They be rushing to get there. You need to get a seat. So I'm here sitting outside, and I'm probably still not gonna be the first one in. And I don't care. But I went off and I got me some Starbucks. I know I said I was cutting back, but I did. I got almond milk with my caramel macchiato. So I did cut some calories. It's her fault. My mom is a Starbucks queen. She loves Starbucks, literally, every day. But, yeah, Gabby's teacher sent me an email a couple days ago and told me that they were having an assembly. And Gabby was getting an award. And it was a surprise. So that's what I was saying when I was like, it's a surprise. It's a surprise. So I'm going to go in her school and everything. She don't know I'm going to her school. She was like, well, won't you ask? Can you come into school? We're having an assembly and all the parents are coming. I'm like, I'm not going to your school. What I look like? I don't want to be bothered with them. That's what I was telling her. So she wouldn't know that she had an award coming, and it was a surprise. So it's going to be a surprise just to see me in here. Here, I need to find me a detail shop so I can get my truck clean, because it is ridiculous. I didn't even show you guys. I just got my baseball cap on, my little bodysuit, and a pair of shorts because it was supposed to be 80-some degrees. Oh, and I got my Vans on. I thought it was going to be 80-some degrees, but
it's getting there.
Oh, but you know, Texas is weird. You know, they bipolar. So the weather will change. Believe me, I thought Chicago was bipolar. Texas is very bipolar. One time you get up in the morning, 47 degrees. In the middle of the day, it's like 70-something. Then all of a sudden, here come this 90-some degrees. Then it rains in little spots. Oh, it's raining right now. I don't even think rain was in the forecast, was it?
No, ma'am.
It's drizzling right now. All right, guys, we're out. All right, I am out of Walmart. I did not show me packing the truck because I completely forgot. I completely forgot that you guys were tagging along with me. What did you just say?
I don't even know.
See, I'm about to kick him out the car. You about to get out. Boo. Where to, people? That cut hurt.
What time?
Isaiah, where you gotta go?
It's 12.
I don't know.
We're supposed to go to that place
What place?
to see if we wanted to order cakes from there and get
Oh,
a
that's all
slice.
the way in Dallas. Tell Ayana to send you the number.
I do have it.
We got kiwi.
It's only after 12. I know you're not used to getting out of the house early, Isaiah, but welcome to our world.
It's hot out here. I'm not.
It is not
even though
hot
I was
yet.
born,
It is not hot.
Even though I was
This is
born
beautiful.
in June, I hate the heat.
Even though you were born in June, you hate the heat.
You know
Well, I'm a
what?
spring
I
baby.
hate the heat.
My birthday coming, guys.
Yes.
50 years old.
I will not be 50 years old. Stop playing with me.
You know when I'm 20? Well, I'm in 2030. I'll be 27. I'm like
In 2030,
20. I was like, oh my
I'm
goodness.
gonna be an old man,
And me and Mike gonna be 22, and Gabby
and
gonna
I'm
be,
gonna treat you that way.
and Mommy gonna be like in her mid 40s. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna be 30.
I'm gonna be the youngest.
Why you be in her mid 40s?
And you better do what you gotta do, boo.
Where we going now again? The cake place? How far is that from you?
That's what she's trying to find out now.
Good character. How did Gabby
Should I have just ran into
How
ran
did
into
Gabby get good character?
what's my store called? HomeGoods, real quick.
HomeGoods, yeah. Nice.
I gotta get that, Isaiah. Then you can until Ayana texts us your cake place.
You're gonna give your husband a heart attack.
What's Pie Pizza?
I'm not. I'm just going in
Mommy.
here to see if they have my microfiber towels.
Look, you should take me and Maya there so we can try the place.
What is that?
It's called Pie 5 Pizza.
That ain't no place to go for birthday dinner. Now Gloria's not.
Oh my goodness. That's not even that good, Mom. You always do this way too much over Gloria. Every time.
Because I haven't found any good food. I mean, Tenders is pretty good. Whoever lives in Texas, know where I can get some good food at, let me know. Because I swear to you guys, I don't know what's going on with my weight loss. Oh, Callaway's is coming. Flowers. Let me
Oh
stop.
no.
Callaway's is coming.
Not this close to you.
Yes. It was close at home. Now they close here.
Oh man, here we go.
We're going to do some garden work. Oh, they finally put a stop sign right there.
Did you just dance to the flowers?
Yes. You guys, I adore flowers. It's my grandmother's fault she did this to me. I mean, it's a good thing because it relieves stress and everything. I just don't like bugs.
And that's
And
what
then my
you're gonna
husband
get.
asked me, well, if you didn't like bugs, why did you move us down to Texas? If you didn't like bugs.
You did like bugs. Why you
And I mean, on my back patio, I haven't showed you guys, but on the back patio, because I just put it all together, I made a video on it. So I'm going to give you guys what I do have. Because some of the footage I did lose. I don't know what's going on with me losing footage. He don't like to go at HomeGoods with me. It's like he feel like I'm being there for hours. I'm not going to be in there for hours. We got things to
say
do.
this every time.
But we got things to do. I'm not going to spend any
You
money.
say this every time. Every time we go to HomeGoods. Come out
Okay,
there with
can we make a bet with you?
come out there with a whole.
Oh, wait a minute. We got to roll up this because we don't know when it's going to rain.
Can we make a
Since it was
bet?
drizzling earlier. What?
Isaiah, what I bet gonna be if she don't come out on time? Come on, grandson. Come up with something
He up there doing this to his little bitty mustache. Like, look.
to show his little beard off. Okay. If she go in here and spend over the time limit that she's supposed to spend,
What is that?
We're gonna give you 20 minutes.
I probably
No,
won't even get out the line in 20 minutes.
what the line
Look at
is?
all these women in here.
Okay,
Lines
that's an
don't
exception. The
Okay, the line don't count. Okay.
You have to be out of the store area in the line within 20 minutes. Can you do that, Megan?
I believe so. What, you gonna time me?
Yeah, I'm a time. You know I am.
Let me drink some Gatorade.
You better get some so you can get through this store real fast.
Put my electrolytes back in me real quick.
Okay, so in 20 minutes, if you're not out of the store, you have to stop and buy us an ice cream cone.
From where? There's not even ice cream shops around us.
Chick-fil-A got good ice cream cones.
I didn't know Chick-fil-A had ice cream cone.
Yeah, I took my grandkids there the other day.
I'm not a big ice
It's a lot of
cream
things
fan.
you don't know that we do.
Dang.
Mm.
That was great.
Isaiah, you don't think you want the ice cream cone?
No.
What do you want?
It was a joke.
Stop it, say stop.
Okay, just tell your audience you're going to have to win a bet today. Because if you don't win this bet, we're going to think of something that you have to do for us when you come out of here.
Wait a minute. First of all, when you go back to school?
Fall.
What you mean you don't know?
Yeah, fall. Yeah. Yeah, fall.
So you just around the house not doing nothing. He need a job. We gotta get him a job. See, we had a problem during the pandemic. Yes, this is a conversation. We had a problem during the pandemic that
time already.
No, this not my 20 minutes. That we took him in to go get his not driving license. He can't drive yet. Remember I was talking about that.
Social Security.
He's scary.
Goodness.
Anyway, I took him to get his ID.
Oh, my secrets.
That's not a secret. And they wouldn't give it to him. And they said it's because of a lot of theft and mistaken identity theft that we had to have his social security card and everything. Because usually we didn't need that. Because I just went in there and did everything. I have his birth certificate, but I could not find his social security card. I'm like, what happened to it? You know? So I sent a letter and my ID and his ID and his birth certificate to the social security office. They sent everything back to me within a week and told me
2 weeks.
2 weeks, because my son was turning 18, which wasn't in until 3 weeks.
The next month.
The next month. You were absolutely right. It was the next month.
It was in May.
That he has to apply for his own card. Well, he shouldn't have had to do that because I sent all my stuff in. Plus, he was still underage. So now he still doesn't have his social security card because we've been having issues to get it. And I don't know what to do at this point because he wants to work. He's trying to save up his money so he can move out. He told me he got a Camaro to buy and he got a house to buy. Or what is it called?
A
container home to buy. So that means what? He got to go buy land before he buy the container home. So this is things that he wants to buy. This is things that he want to start investing in real estate and everything, but he cannot do it. And I put that open field out there thanks to my mom, helping me. Just like, put your son on your credit cards right now. And see, I'm faithful at paying my credit cards. I don't care if I just pay the minimum. I'm faithful at paying them. So this kid credit score is higher than his mama's right now.
Okay.
This dude could go buy me anything I want at this point. But, my mom is not going to do that. I just want him to take care of himself. And I'm ecstatic that my son graduated out of high school with a credit score of 750. So I'm just joyful over that because I did it at the last minute. I feel like it would have been at an 8 if I would have put him on there in the beginning.
When I told you to?
Yeah, when she told me to. Boo, I'm hard-headed, but I'm like, I thank God he has that, and I want him to use it wisely. And I teach him now for things that I did not know and things that I still don't know. And if I learn them, I teach them to my kids, even my little girl, even that little Nepote of mine. I teach them all that. I'm like, this is what you need to do. But those two, they're not good. They're not good financially.
Not the way their credit cards balance always at 0.
Anyway, guys, let's get into this HomeGoods. They're going to time me for 20 minutes. I'm sure they're going to show you. actually have 2 of those chairs. $4.99. That's cute for someone that like these colors in their home. I don't like this fabric. Isaac, get out the aisle.
I'm sorry. You know, he go out there and garage and make furniture.
Let's look at the lamps. What did you say? Why can't I find me a nice natural picture with this gold going across it? This is what he went in the store and put in my cart for $16.99. I'm sitting up here wondering, like, Vic,
didn't
you didn't know that?
I thought it was already.
Then I bought these reusable bags. Can you guys see that? Like Ziploc bags for Gabby's snacks, because she's been asking me about them. Because when she take her little fruit to school, it doesn't taste good afterwards. I don't know what she did with the other one. And then I bought some poop bags. It's earth rated. Bought those. You guys see that? So I bought some of these because Shy the dog need them. What else I bought? Yeah. What in here? It's like my mom went in there and found the biggest one to buy. Probably the most expensive. I don't know what she did. Yeah, it was $16.99, but it's big. See that? It's a good material. Made in Vietnam.
Avocado
Here.
wood.
What else I got? I got something else, but I think she wrapped it in plastic. So, or paper. Whatever. I'm doing good wrapping, so I can show you guys. So I bought this because so I can make my avocado, and my mom was like, so I can dice up my peppers, you know, because she cooks in my house. I mean, I cooked last night. I made spaghetti because I had a taste for Italian food, and I don't know where to go in Texas to find me some good Italian food.
Such a relief for me.
$14.99. $14.99. And it's so pretty. It's marble and wood. It actually matched that cutting board she got. And then I bought myself a candle, and the cashier was like, oh my gosh, this candle smells so good. It do. It smells so good. I like this. That rattan, what you call it? That rattan look? Yeah, it's the rattan look, right? I like this. I don't know why my camera is like that. I think because there's too much sun in here right now. Let me see if I close it. Can you guys see it better? I don't know if you can see it right now or not. Oh, it's getting hot, baby. Sun coming out. Don't play with me. Summer want to play games with me. It smells so good. My phone keeps cutting off every time I cut the truck on. Okay. It smells so good. This is sugar. What is that? Citrus. It's a rattan candle. So you still can't see it good. Oh no. Let me see. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at that. Just in case you want to go get one. I know they probably had something bigger because I have a bigger one. I don't think it's sugared. I'm gonna have to look at that when I get home, but I don't think it's sugar. But this smells really good. So, all right. Did she text you the place so y'all can go? Oh no. Here. Thank you, sir. What time is it? Make sure it's not time to go get some children.
Cake bar. Cake bar.
I need gas. Isaac, did you really leave that basket right there?
But I was really too close. I thought I could have thrown it away.
You think? Go this way. All right, we're going to get some gas and spend a whole bunch of money for gas, and then we're done as far as in getting anything because I got my grocery. I went into HomeGoods. I didn't get what I needed out of HomeGoods, but it's fine because he needed a water bottle anyway, so he can measure his water. I know it's not the measuring. He could have got that off Amazon, but he said he likes to keep his water cold, so he got that. It's fine with me. And then I did want another candle to match the one I have in the living room. And for some reason, my truck only like Exxon gas station. It doesn't like anybody else. So I could have went to Sam's Club or Costco, but she want to act all funny with me. I think I'm gonna still try it again because Costco and Sam's. Oh, did I really just put my hand? Mommy, where's my sanitizer?
I don't know. I ain't seen it.
Isaiah, look at my purse. I got my purse. No, I don't. Isaiah, I just can't wait till gas go down. This is ridiculous.
What it is?
That's why I don't go anywhere. Because every week I'm filling my tank up. 80, 90, 79, 55. That's why I like to keep, like I was telling you guys before, I like to keep my stuff right at, if I see it at half, fill it up. To me, Garrett's popcorn, that's what I want. Now that I'm able to chew popcorn, I want me some Garrett's. I know I'm gonna have to order it. I want me some Garrett's and I want some Pixies. I don't have no choice. I may have 2 weddings to go to too. And it's too hot. It's gonna be too hot for me to be chunky in Texas anyway. When I lived here 13 years ago, it was too freaking hot. And I was in Houston, I had to lose weight. I couldn't do it. I did Pilates. I only did, check this out guys, I lost a lot of weight after having Nehemiah. And I was only, what was I doing, Mommy? I was doing Pilates of Comcast. And then you remember when they had the free exercise videos? I was using those. I did kickboxing on there, and I did cardio and Pilates. So I did 3 things: kickboxing, Pilates, and cardio on there. And that's how I lost my weight. Still eating what I wanted to, but I was moderately eating. I ate on time. Stuff like that. My water.
Because the things I wanted from me.
All right, guys, I am finally at home. I had to make a couple more stops, but like I said, my phone kept messing up on me, so I want no major stops. Just a per mother request. She wanted to stop at a couple of places. I do not like how my husband called himself doing my yard. I really want to do have somebody come do a spring cleaning in the yard, because I don't like how he cut grass. I don't like how he cut grass at all. But yeah, first I'm gonna go in here and see, because there's one thing I don't like, and I usually do this before I leave the house, but today I was in a hurry. Malachi had to be at school at a certain time for his little trip, and my pea cakes, she had to go. She had the assembly. So all this morning I was gone. I'm like, okay, I came back from my son. I'm like, let's go to the store. Let's do what we got to do, because I'm not going to be stuck in traffic trying to get in and out of here. So I did not clean my kitchen, because last night I was like, okay, I cooked dinner. I cleaned as I was cooking, and then I expected, because Marvin came in last night, so I expected him to go ahead and have the kids to clean the kitchen. I got on there and told him, okay, you guys got to clean the kitchen because Mommy is bringing in grocery. And I woke up and the glimpse that I did see, I didn't see that my kitchen was clean. So I'm going to go in here now and probably clean it up real quick. I don't think I'm going to videotape that, because I get tired of cleaning up my kitchen. I really do. I mean, I have anxieties about a clean kitchen, and my kids and my husband knows this. Everyone knows this. Like, I like my kitchen to be clean, and they just don't keep it that way. They really don't. They can come in and make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Will they clean it up? They will not put the peanut butter up, and they will not clean it up. And that's a problem for me. Shy, don't eat that bone. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Isaiah canceled his hair appointment. Didn't nobody tell him to cancel nothing.
Yes, you did.
No, I did not tell you to cancel his hair appointment. Gabby bought him. Look what. Come here, Shy. No, don't lick my fingers. Look what Gabby bought him. PK's bought him this, and it's too big. We gotta take it back to Target, because it does not fit correctly. Does it? With your bones all over your face.
Why your teeth like that?
It wasn't that bad. Like, he had the boys clean the stove. He took stuff out of the refrigerator, and the dishwasher is going. So I just probably got to wipe down the counters and put the stuff back in the refrigerator that I want to keep. So let me see what he did in here. He didn't take the stuff off the door, so we'll just wipe those down, because I just wiped those down Monday. So I'm gonna go back in the refrigerator and just clean them down, because there's handprints all over the refrigerator. He cleaned this big one out. He took it out and cleaned it out for me. And yeah, he cleaned that out. So we're just gonna wipe the refrigerator down and start putting the new grocery in and the stuff that I'm going to keep at this point. So let's go ahead and do that. dining room table since my husband have everything on the counters. What are you doing?
What you doing?
Anyway, I bought him and the kids. I don't know why they like this, but my husband eats these, and he don't even. He's messing with me right now. Anyway, okay. Anyway, I bought some Ben's rice. What else? I bought some honey almond Quakers. I want to try this oatmeal. I'm just gonna try it. I don't know. And then I bought some thick spaghetti. I bought 2 packages of that. And then I bought some Prego in traditional. And of course I brought my husband his cheese Danish. And as you see, he already took a piece out of it. I bought Cali Boys, some strawberry Pop-Tarts. I bought me some Dawn dish soap. My mom, I got her coffee. Let's see. I bought me some Cascade cubes, a red onion for my guacamole, and anything else, obviously. I bought some Made Good. I'm trying these for the kids, so hopefully they like them. You guys let me know if your kids like these or if you even tried them. I bought some chocolate brownies, so we're going to give these a try. I'm not too big on the sweets anyway, so it's like whatever when it comes to that type of thing. Kids, I got these for the kids. Got some more stuff, goodies for them. So I bought them some Cheerios. They have to have these, so this is a treat for them. Some Captain Crunch, and these are treats as well. I'm not really big on Cinnamon Toast Crunch, but I told them they can get 2 sweet cereals if they wanted to. So those 2 they picked. I did buy some. Oh, I gotta show you else what I bought. I went to Target. Like I said, my phone cut out on me, so you guys didn't get a chance to see it. But I bought this vase from Target. It was $25. I had a gift card for Target. And then I also went there, paper towel, of course. And I took this. I couldn't wait to get home. So I took this out. Let me show you guys. So this is what I went and bought right here with my gift card. Always, well, I wanted one. I have one, but it doesn't have the little spray spread on it. I mean, you know what I mean. Yeah, basically the spray, the cleaner that comes with it. It doesn't have a cleaner attached to it because I bought them when it came out, and it. Oh my goodness! What do you want?
Did you tell them about my reward?
Yes, I told them about your reward. What is what? You want to try them?
Sure.
I gotta get this stuff off the kitchen counter, so I'm tired already. Yeah.
You got it?
Yes, I got it. Malachi thought you picked that out. What you gonna be doing with it?
Alright.
Oh, you okay? You got it. What's your question?
There's only 4 in here.
That's it?
Yeah.
Only 4?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Now it's only 3.
Well, I didn't even see that.
This is dairy free.
Yeah, it's dairy free.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah. It's plant.
Veggie. Veggie.
Would you try it? Did nobody tell you to read it? Did I tell you how to read it?
Oh no!
Try it.
This is how the pack looks, right? This is how the pack looks. And it tells me it has this white. What is this? This looks like anything to the packet. Oh! And it smells like dark chocolate.
Would you try it? Let me see.
No chocolate.
Okay, let's taste the other ones. Let's taste the other ones. And it's salty. It tastes salty to me.
The bars will taste better. So these are made good chocolate chip crispy.
I didn't even see this. Why didn't he all this salt in there?
Okay, satisfying.
Please don't do that. What? What?
This looks disgusting, and they got too much sugar.
Bite it.
Okay, I tried the one first last time. It's your turn.
It's not bad.
Ooh, that's too much sugar.
Well, she is not telling the truth. No, it's not. You better get away from my picture frame. Ugh, stop making that face. These are not gross.
They are gross.
What's these? These were not worth $6 at all.
Those definitely wasn't. Okay, now these
They too
are
salty.
These are worth $6. I don't need to try because I already tried these.
They don't taste good. I mean, these are vegan.
What is this?
I think that's,
What kind of oatmeal did you buy?
you have oatmeal in like the pantry. Stop playing.
Can you come make spaghetti again?
I'm not making spaghetti. We have spaghetti for leftovers. That's what we got. That's what we're eating tonight for
Can you make
leftovers.
some?
No, you mean can I heat you up some? Yes. Try this one. Mally, come here.
Tried this.
You already tried Kind bars?
Yeah.
When? I don't remember. Did I buy these?
Told you she getting too old.
Come on, tell me how these say.
Okay.
Callie!
The almond, they're good. They look disgusting, but they're not. They're actually good. And so the chocolate in them is milk. Chocolate.
Hey, Gabby, we should go tell Daddy to taste these right quick.
Mom, do not make Daddy taste them.
Yeah, let's make Daddy. All right, guys, we lost the sound, but anyway, basically, we had Dad taste the brownie. He want to claim he had them before, and they wasn't that bad. I think he was just doing that for Gabby. But you can tell in his face they were disgusting to him as well. I don't know why he was going there. But anyway. Doing?
My hood bear.
In a polo, babe? Why you got your good stuff on? Doing that? What are you doing? Why you got your good stuff on? And then we're going to have to get oil stains and everything.
You guys, come.
Why are we coming? Where are we going? Oh, my gosh. Excuse me, babe. How did she get over this? Oh, my leg.
I want Domino's.
I'm not buying Domino's. Not doing it.
Look at it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh. With that little bitty basketball. Do it again. Do it again. One more time. You got this. You got this, girl. Whoa! I saw that. All that slime came out your mouth. Ella, what are you doing?
So beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
So we got our veggies, fruit, yogurt, bit, kiwi.
Oh my gosh. What is that? Why?
know.
Why is it back in there like that?
Well, ooh.
I just clanked these.
No.
Maybe that's just the water.
Well, that's kiwi. We got some apples, the best apples in the world. The
Yeah,
best.
she got those from Trader Joe's and she love them.
Then we got these lemons / oranges.
Those are not oranges. You know good well, those are limes. They are so small.
So next thing come over here is we have a juice. Next we have Gatorade, 1 bottle of Gatorade.
It's mine.
People drink. Yeah, so she just forgets me about sometimes. So then we got some purple water. We got some purple water.
Oh my gosh,
we got
Gabby.
our condiments, and we have more yogurt. Obviously, why wouldn't we? And we come down here. We got more condiments, and
It looks like we need to go shopping.
medicine.
That's
Yeah.
your grandmother's medicine.
Yeah, medicine. Yeah, a little bit more condiments up there. Then we got Starbucks. Yeah, Starbucks creamer.
That is not creamer. That is coffee. Now put it back.
Oh, I thought they said creamer.
No.
Anyway,
That's creamer you got in your hand.
so we got some juice, my favorite, and milk. Obviously, why wouldn't we have milk? We're normal people, you know. And then what is this?
Oh my gosh. Those are health aids.
Health aids. I don't know what health aids are. We have more condiments. So we got apple jelly. We got mayonnaise, which I don't like that.
You don't like the mayo.
I don't like that, but I like it something.
Okay.
Then we have a grape jelly, nachos for
Jalapenos.
Yeah. I don't even
Japaninos.
Then we
Really?
have-
Jalapenos? Don't, Gabby. Please stop.
jelly and just nobody cares about that. Oh, tartar sauce, obviously. Why wouldn't? So we got these eggs. I love eggs. Then we got Minute Maid. We got 3 minutes.
Yes, 3 Minute Maids.
Okay.
It's your silk milk. And
We
for your
got silk almond milk all the way in the back.
Yeah.
And we got all Minute Maids. Yeah. And then you come down here, fruit.
vegetables.
Veggies. And like, I have this salad that I use. I'm going to show you guys my recipe. I'm going to show you my recipe soon, so you might just wait for that. We got butter. And then we got
Got some Parmesan.
Parmesan,
Cottage
cheese, and yogurt. Non-fat yogurt. Obviously, why not? We wouldn't. Like, what? And then we come here. Then we got all our Cheez-Its. Cheez-Its.
Really? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Shot a dog. He don't even, when do we jump on tables to get stuff? Oh my gosh, you guys. My dog just ate chocolate. And yes, I did just call him my dog. He did. He's licking his mouth.
Oh my God.
Smell it. Smell his mouth. He did eat it. He's still licking it.
Oh. Yeah,
He ate it.
but it also smells terrible. It's gross.
This is chocolate chip.
Shut up. You know you could die from your lifespan, right? Oh my God. You guys. I don't get how this dog's still alive. He eats like
He steals chocolate.
everything. I don't get you.
I don't get him neither. Why? How are you still walking? I thought dogs are not allowed to eat chocolate, right? This dude goes into her room, finds chocolate. He goes into, where else did he go? Oh, he went into the pantry, got onto the shelf, the little bottom shelf, and got some more chocolate. Stole from what? Your Christmas stuff? Your Christmas, was it for Christmas?
yeah.
For Christmas. And then he stole the chocolate chip cookie.
Oh, and also the brownie.
Oh yeah, he did that too.
And also, like he got something that fell on the floor in the pantry. Like,
So it fell on the floor.
A tornado.
Oh yeah, and Gabby did not know that we didn't know he got up out of his bed. She dropped on the floor. She was going back to pick it up, and she dropped some type of chocolate. It was some type of chocolate she dropped. And we were having a tornado, basically a tornado warning, and Shy was really scared. Like, he didn't want you to come near him. He was scared. But he got up out of the bed and went to go get that chocolate.
Because I love chocolate.
What was it? What type of chocolate was it? It was like a candy bar, wasn't it?
It was a bar, an energy bar.
But it had chocolate chip in it. Yeah, that's right. It was an energy bar. It had chocolate chip in it. So he got on the table and ate this.
Mommy?
A piece is still on his Oh my gosh, this dog.
I think Shy's about to throw up because he was like...
Well, you take him outside, just in case. He eats everything. Everything. Oh my goodness. I don't think anything gonna happen to this dog. I might call the vet tomorrow. I'm gonna have to call the vet tomorrow. I don't know. He done got up here and got him an energy bar. I mean, whatever these are. Oh my goodness.
You guys.
Okay, she wanted me to tell you guys she's coming up with she wants to do. She wants to do what's the videos
A
called?
fail is to some more.
Oh my gosh. She wants to do that. So we're working on that.
People said they liked it, my wig today. Look at it. Look how beautiful this wig is. Yeah.
That goes around your neck.
Yes, queen.
Get out of here. Anyway, this is the end of my vlog, guys, that you guys asked for.
Spirit fingers.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. I love you. Until next time.